If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed. So I was innocently on my way home from a lunch date, driving through downtown Pismo, and I start seeing all these badass, excuse my language, but badass cars. And then I noticed the car show is going on up here now. I don't know if this is the regular June car show rescheduled, if it's a different car show, but I was gonna wait till I got up there, and there's been about 10 awesome cars pass me, so I figured I'd turn this on to see if we catch any cars on the walk up. Yeah, this is downtown Pismo. Of course, I turned the camera on and now there's no more, but I'll get more up here. Got a little bit of a walk though, because it's crowded down here right now. I know as soon as I turn it off, something cool is gonna go by. These they just built recently. You build up. So you get this little piece of dirt, you build up, a lot more units in there. All right. Ooh, pretty. Pretty purple. Neat little rock wall. And then on the end of each one of these streets, there's the ocean. Surprising there's still some empty lots around here. They can build a bunch of 3-story houses there. You're seeing less and less of like these little cottages anymore, because they'll tear them down and build a complex. It's changed a lot in the years that we've lived here, that's for sure. Yeah, those palms are pretty. All right, looks like there's a Hummer up here. Oh, here comes a lowrider. Got these Pismo clams all over town, and they decorate them according to the season. Oh, there's a nice truck. Some like cedar over there. I guess this is a walk and talk to the car show. And once I get, see, there's the ocean at the end of the street. Once I get at the car show, I guess I'll do a separate video as the field trip. Here's the Hummer. A real Hummer, actually. The snorkel. These can literally go in. Not the same as those Hummers that they're making nowadays. You got your little coffee shop, ice cream, the old original Pismo hotel there. Oh, got a lowered truck of some sort there. Scoop it. Playing some 70s jams. Some little, kind of looks like they're making things out of repurposed items. I'm not going to hang out downtown or anything. This is this blazer. Really, that is really nice. We'll come a different day and do the Pismo fun. Okay, here comes another cool hot rod. Little lineup of Volkswagen. I'll go this way. Buses over there. Some food venues. Looks like they're getting ready to like put the barricades and everything up yet. I'm like here pre-show. The bowling alley's there. So cute, little ice cream shop, market. Cool. See? Definitely hang out in there. Cool. This one's got all the good stuff. Table. Fun. Reminds me of my friend Nicole. Her family had a Volkswagen bus growing up, and I always think of them. Oh, here's a crazy fancy motorcycle too. A little bit of everything. Got the Bling Boutique over here, toy store and games. Alright, we're approaching the venue here. This will be concluding the walk and talk here shortly. Here's a vet. We had one similar. Ours was a 94 and it was black. Those are fun cars. Definitely good times in that car. I think this is probably an Impala. Very pretty. Alright, so we'll be heading over there. So the walk and talk ends. Car show begins momentarily. Bye. Looks like a lot of the cars are not here yet. But let's see what we can see inside here. I think the Hall of Fame cars are in here at least. Oh, does it take tickets? Or is it free? Oh, that would suck. Try to do eminent domain on these houses over here. That didn't go over too well. This guy tried to bring his car in the driveway and it scraped really bad. He decided against it. Gonna get a little bit of hand sanitizer real quick. Oh gosh, that one didn't have any. All right, sorry about that. Let's see what's to see. Okay, they got all the t-shirts. Oh, that's kind of like that motorcycle we just saw. All different kinds, different styles. That one's kind of nice. that is. All kinds of stuff for gearheads. Wow, look at that. Huh. Wow. This is beautiful. I like the old cars and the old trucks. So yeah, tomorrow they'll have way more here, but how could I drive by this without stopping? Boop, boop, boop. Cool signs. And okay. Bobby's aunt would love these. She has a virtual farm. Wish I could buy those for her. Shout out to Bobby's aunt. Cactuses. Oh, cool. These always remind me of like the ZZ Top car. ZZ Top, which unfortunately one of the band members just passed recently. Look at this sucker. That is cool when they leave them all rough like this. Does it lift up when you start driving it?
Yeah.
I was like, is that tire even attached? Wow, that's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, look how fancy this motor is. So cool. Another rough one here. Oh, there's a whole line of them. Excuse me. Wow. Okay, so we already got the answer from the guy that when you start them, they lift off the ground a little bit. And that's a good thing because it's literally on the ground. Wow, this is something else inside, huh? Someone did a lot of work. Some talented people. Oh my gosh, and this car. I'll get to that one in a minute. There's another one of these. I know there's a word for it. Put it in the comments. I forget what they call these ones where they leave them rough, but they're so like pretty much lay down inside there. Rat rod, that's right. The rat rods. This one doesn't have the engine yet. It's a work in progress. This one. Trip. Oh, there's a rat inside this one. The rat rod. See the rat? Oh, it takes 2 batteries. It's craziness. Oh gosh, I have to keep talking because there's music playing in the background and I'll get copyright strike for it. Damn it. I mean, darn it. Okay, so if there's no break in my speaking, that's why. Bad sled. It's funny. The bad sled. Nice paint job on this one. Oh, I wish they would turn that music on. Wow, look at the paint, the flames. Wow. 572. Wow, that's... Whoa, my goodness, look at this panel. What is all that? You wonder as everything goes electric, what's going to happen with all these collectible gas cars. Like we have an old Bronco that we want to refurbish someday. Okay, this is take 2 at the car show. I'm experimenting. I'm using a different phone. We'll see what happens. Oh, trippy how they did that. T-Bird. I love the T-Birds. Nice track. I hope this music isn't problematic. And then over here, I think they have like the newer, and there'll be way more cars here tomorrow. I am not going to be coming back. This was impromptu. I had no idea this was even happening today. So it looks like she's got a bunch of jewelry, handmade jewelry. Oh, there's a new blazer. Huh. The specs on that. Wow, looks a lot different. It's kind of leaning towards the Lexus SUV style, kind of. Yeah, there's just so much stuff. Knives, hang on, that's nice. He collects knives and owls. Cute little things with dragons. Wow, there's a little bit of this in here too. Oh, look, this. Oh, yeah, I've seen these where they like melt, smash down the wine bottles and make them into little funny little sayings on them. Hats. Hats. There's the new Chevy Tahoe. Wow, okay, now that's leaning more towards the forerunner. Wow, that's pretty. My vehicle's that color too. I like those charcoal grays. And more shirts. Of course, you got the little toys. Oh, these are these copper things are so popular. I actually got some for my nieces. They don't have them yet. I'll get to see them next week. Kettle corn. Wow, that music's really loud right here. Hopefully I'm talking over it. Lots of kettle corn. We got the food area over here. And those sky chairs, you've heard me talk about those before. They're awesome. I definitely am going to get one of those someday. Alright guys. Wasn't much, it's just the starting of the setup. And there's too much music here. Oh, I can't even get out this way. They trapped me. I'm going to try to cut across the... Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. I'm going to cut across to get out. I guess they want it to be like a flow of in and out. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed some of the cars. It wasn't much, but I couldn't just drive past this. I love cars. My man loves cars. My love of cars started with my dad, who loves cars. My dad races cars. So yeah, and there's another cool Harley. We'll finish up with that. So don't forget to stop and smell the flowers. Bye guys, thanks for watching. All right, too many cool cars keep passing. I'm gonna keep the camera on, see if I miss anything. If it's not worthwhile, I won't even post it. But I feel like a lot more cars are getting here now. Gotta walk back to my vehicle. So ways down here. See what we see on the way. They'll probably have the car parade tonight. That's what I usually like to come see. Oh, here's another pretty one. But not this year. Charger, wow. Different. You already saw that with that. Too much music back there. I've gotten copyright strikes. I'm learning all this YouTube stuff. It's interesting, let's just say. There's not a whole lot of guidance related to it. Here is the Pismo sign. We get to see some more cool cars. There's a little Fiat. My friend has one of those. They're actually pretty fun to ride in.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.